What's the matter? You don't feel respected? Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. So stop your whining and bitching, be a man, and earn it. So before we get started, quick little disclaimer. If you have like super thin skin or get offended super easily, you're definitely not gonna like this video, and so I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, why don't you drop me one of these, you whiny little. But if you aren't afraid of a little tough love and constructive feedback, gentlemen, why don't you drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, bring it, because I want to earn the respect I feel I deserve. Gentlemen, today we're going to go over some mistakes that you're possibly making. The good news, if you identify them, modify your behavior and your mindset, you can change it and get that respect. The first reason why people don't respect you is you are a whiny little bitch. Number 2, you're mentally and emotionally weak. Gentlemen, if you expect ever to be respected by other people, you've got to develop mental toughness, mental fortitude, mental strength, because until you do, you're constantly going to be bending over for other people. You're constantly going to be giving in to peer pressure. You're constantly not going to be standing up for yourself. Being a mentally weak person also a lot of times is associated with the third reason why people don't respect you. You are not a man of your word. You're not a man of integrity or character. One of the quickest and easiest things that you can do to lose respect by other people is not do what you said you were going to do. If people don't feel that they can rely on you, if people don't feel they can trust you, or you're a man of character or integrity, or you do what you said you were going to do, people will never, ever, ever trust you or respect you. If you can't do something, don't just say you will because you don't want to disappoint somebody, which actually brings us to the fourth reason people don't respect you. You are a kiss-ass pussy people pleaser. It doesn't matter how spicy or luscious that banging booty is, gentlemen, you should not be kissing it. There are a lot of dudes that think, oh, if I'm just extra nice, if I just do everything she wants me to do, then that's the time that she'll actually respect me. When the truth is, the opposite actually happens. If you're teaching them that they don't have to respect you because it doesn't even matter, they can treat you poorly and you'll still come running back like a little puppy. Gentlemen, stop being a puppy. Be a dog, a big dog, and hump that leg. The fifth reason why people don't respect you, and this one I don't mean to sound as harsh as it's going to come out, but you're nasty. And what I mean by this is your grooming, your hygiene, your face gotta smell good, your ears can't be all dirty, your nose can't have like boogers or hairs, your breath can't be funky as fuck, and your skin better be straight. Gentlemen, the way that you're gonna straighten it out is hitting that link down below and checking out Tiege Handling. The secret, you want the secret to looking amazing, not only now, but in 25 years from now, gentlemen, there are 4 steps you need to do. You need to wash your face twice a day to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime that builds up. Twice a week, you need to exfoliate your face to remove the dead skin cells, make sure that those pores are squeaky clean. And then moisturize, gentlemen. It's about keeping your skin super hydrated and protected, which means in the morning you need a moisturizer with an SPF of 20. And then at night, gentlemen, you need a moisturizer that's going to go in and repair a lot of the damage and keep your skin hydrated, elastic, and sexy. And that's it. That is a basic skincare routine that each and every one of you needs to do every single day to have handsome, hydrated, and sexy skin. Now, if you're a little bit older, right, go level 2, which comes with an eye cream that's going to fight crow's feet, dark circles, not to mention bags. But if you're a little older, gentlemen, you want to kick it up to the next level, go level 3, which also comes with an anti-aging super serum. At Tiege Handling, we have taken all of the guesswork out of looking amazing. In every Tiege Handling system, you get this. It's an instruction card, which actually tells you what time of day to use what product, in what order, and even how much. And our goal is pretty simple, to help you feel and look incredible. Guys, right now, for a limited time, we've got something extra special for you. Whichever system you sign up with, 1, 2, 3, or even Acne, which we'll link to down below, you're going to get a free full-size body wash plus the body scrubber. It just smells so good. This is eucalyptus, my favorite body wash from Tiege, but we also have other fragrances. You get to choose whichever one you want. And like I said, for a limited time, guys, it is free if you go through that link. And you're also gonna get this super sexy black body exfoliating tool. Guys, right now, limited time, for the first 500 of you who hit that link down below and go sign up, Tiege Handling, whichever system you choose, you're gonna get to choose whichever full-size body wash you want. You're also gonna get the free exfoliating scrubbing tool. Guys, right now, limited time, like I said, it doesn't matter. If you're new to skincare, go level 1. A little bit older, go 2, possibly 3. But regardless of which system you choose, guys, the bottom line is you gotta start taking better care of your skin on your face. Do not be nasty. The way that I do it is Tiege Handling. The way you do it should be Tiege Handling. But regardless of if you use Tiege or some other overpriced, lower quality product, the most important thing is that you start taking better care of your face and your body so that you're not nasty. Hit the link down below and don't be nasty. Which brings us to the sixth reason why people don't respect you: you look like a slob. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's it. Somebody has just formed an opinion about you based solely on the nonverbal communicating that you're doing. Now, we already talked about your grooming, not being nasty. Now we got to talk about that style. If you are somebody that does not take pride in their appearance when it comes to their clothing, people are not going to respect you. They form an opinion that you're a slob. It's like game over. You will never get the opportunity to prove them wrong because they're not going to give you the chance because they already formed the opinion that you're not worth it. You're not worth dating. You're not worth hiring. You're not worth their time. Think of your outfit and your wardrobe as your personal packaging. When you put on that outfit in the morning, you look at yourself in the mirror, what does it say about you? If it says, yo, I'm Johnny, I'm a badass sex machine, then good job, you win. Now, if it says, yo, I'm kind of lazy, I didn't pay attention, my shoes are dirty, gentlemen, guess what? You're never getting the girl, you're never getting the opportunity because people think you're a slob. Something else they'll never respect you for, we got to talk about, is you being immature. Nobody will respect you if they view you as immature. And if you're somebody that is constantly making inappropriate jokes, or you're not growing up in terms of things and responsibilities you need to take on, gentlemen, unfortunately, people will never respect you. We respect people that we view as mature or people that are getting shit done, which brings us to the next reason people don't respect you. You are not motivated. You're lazy. Gentlemen, how much respect do you think people are going to give you if they view you as lazy? Do you think for a hot second a spicy senorita is going to be like, ooh, I want a guy that lives in his parents' basement and plays video games all day? That would be awesome. You've got to be motivated enough to go after your goals, your dreams, and what you want out of life. But if you're somebody that's allowing life to pass you by, you're letting things happen to you as opposed to you taking action, being mature, and being motivated, gentlemen, this is the reason why people secretly don't respect you, and you never will achieve anything great in life. The next reason why people just don't respect you is if you are overly emotional and freak out over dumb shit. Gentlemen, the one thing that you can do in order to be respected by other people is to not freak out. Think through situations logically. But when somebody is overly emotional or freaks out over little things, automatically people lose respect for them. If you freak out over the littlest thing and just like react as opposed to being a little bit more diligent in the way that you approach situations, this is something that is going to make people lose respect for you. We respect people that are measured, that can handle their emotions, that don't freak out over dumb shit. The next reason why people don't respect you is that you are a jealous person. Whether or not it's jealous of other dudes around your girl, or you're always questioning her, or thinking that she's doing something she shouldn't be doing when it's all pretty much in your head, or you're jealous of other dudes, other people's success, and you always make a reason why they shouldn't have what they have and why it's not fair, as opposed to you taking ownership of the situation, being motivated, and going after the shit that you want for yourself. And the last reason why people don't respect you, you're a perv. Now, I'm not saying not to be as freaky as you want to be. You do you get all weird and that's fine. What's not fine and why people don't respect you is that you are always saying and talking and obsessing over girls or boobs or like just like stuff, and it's like super annoying. If you're the dude that's always talking, making comments and being like, yo, Jimmy, check out that spicy ass senorita, I'm gonna hit her up in her DMs, oh man, oh, look at that girl right there, right? People may laugh, they may be like, ha ha ha, right? But the truth is, they're annoyed at you, they don't really want to hang out with you, and they definitely don't respect you.